Meet Ravi. Every morning, Ravi promised himself that this time things would be different. Today he would study. Today he would stay focused. Today he would finally stop wasting time. But a few minutes later, he would unlock his phone just to check one notification, then another, then another. Hours passed before he even realized what had happened. At first, Ravi thought he was lazy. Then he thought he lacked discipline. Eventually, he started believing that maybe he just wasn't smart enough. But one day, he discovered something that completely changed his life. The real problem. Your brain doesn't crave studying. It craves rewards. Fast rewards, predictable rewards, easy rewards. And your phone is the perfect machine for delivering them. Every few seconds, there is another video, another notification, another source of entertainment. Every swipe is a new opportunity for your brain to receive a reward. Studying doesn't work like that. You study today, but the reward comes weeks or months later. Passing an examination, understanding difficult concepts, getting into your dream college. To your brain, those rewards feel far away. Ravi finally understood that he wasn't fighting laziness. He was fighting biology, and once he understood that, everything changed. The secret hidden inside video games. Ravi noticed something interesting. Millions of people spend hours playing games without feeling tired or bored. Why? Psychologists have been trying to answer that question for years. Eventually, they discovered three important elements: clear goals, immediate feedback, visible progress. Ravi decided to use those same principles while studying. The study system that changed everything. The first step was creating clear goals. Instead of saying, "I will study biology today," Ravi said, "I will finish 20 flashcards and answer at least 18 correctly." Suddenly, his brain could see the finish line. The second step was immediate feedback. Instead of reading for hours, Ravi tested himself every 15 to 20 minutes. He solved questions. He explained concepts aloud. He celebrated every small victory. Slowly, studying became less frustrating. Then came the third step, visible progress. Ravi created checklists. He counted study sessions. He built streaks. He tracked every chapter he completed. The work itself didn't change, but his experience completely changed. For the first time, he could actually see himself improving. Building the habit loop. After that, Ravi created a simple system. The cue was always the same desk, the same chair, the same time. The routine was simple: 25 minutes of complete focus, one goal, no distractions. The reward came immediately: a completed task, a correct answer, a growing streak. Day after day, Ravi repeated the process. Eventually, his brain began expecting study time in the same way it once expected social media. He stopped fighting his mind. Instead, he learned how to work with it. Two mistakes that almost ruined everything. But Ravi made mistakes too. The first mistake was studying for too long. His first study session lasted almost 3 hours. The next day, he didn't want to study at all. That was the moment he learned that consistency is far more important than intensity. The second mistake was waiting too long for rewards. Imagine playing a game that rewards you only after finishing the final level. Nobody would play it. Your brain needs small victories every day. A completed chapter, a solved problem, a checked box. Those small victories slowly build momentum. The truth about motivation: a few weeks later, something surprising happened. Studying no longer felt like a punishment. It became part of Ravi's daily routine. Not because he suddenly became more disciplined, not because he changed his personality, but because he changed the system. And that is the secret most people never learn. You don't need more motivation. You don't need stronger willpower. You need a system that gives your brain exactly what it is looking for: clear goals, immediate feedback, visible progress. Once you understand that, everything becomes easier. And maybe that's the reason some students achieve extraordinary results while everyone else struggles. Not because they are smarter, but because they understand the rules of the game